people, welcome to my channel. Keep watching the video.
So we have all arranged the ingredients. Now crush the soap, which is preferably lime or lemon fragranced, into smaller granules. Boil 1 liter water in a pan. Put the lemon slices carefully. After 2 minutes, remove the lemon slices from the boiling water. Lower the flame and add the soap granules. Then gently stir for 10 minutes so that no lather gets formed. After that, put 2 tablespoons of glycerin to the mixture. And again stir it well. Cool the mixture for 4 hours so that it forms a concentrate gel, and then pour it in a mug and add half cup of cold water so that it forms the soft gel semi-liquid. Stir it slowly and finally put it in a usable container for future use. See, our homemade hand wash is ready to use, and do not waste water and wash your hands properly and see the results. So it forms lathers. Wash your hand as many times as you can and keep the germs away. Take care.